Hey there guys, and welcome to your Linux tutorial. In this Linux tutorial, we are going to talk about shell scripts, and more specifically, we will answer the question of what are shell scripts? Well, if you were anxious about this, if you're like, oh, I've never written programs before, I don't really understand what shell scripts are. Well, shell scripts are basically commands written in a file. Okay, and not exactly, because there are some shell-specific keywords which we will discuss in the following tutorials. However, you can think of shell scripts as commands written in a file. And in order to illustrate this, I will actually print the contents of this tutorial script.sh, which I did when I was explaining things in my written content, because I used the Linux folder to basically produce the content for my written version. Okay, and then I can press now enter to see the contents of the tutorial script, and you can see that we have some familiar things. For example, we have echo, which we have already discussed. Here we have some variable which you could recognize by the $sign, because the $sign means expand this variable. Okay, you also recognize the quotes. Okay, so basically, but more importantly, you recognize the echo command and its syntax. Okay, you don't really recognize this. We're gonna talk about that, and you don't really recognize this, but you can probably assume, okay, this must be some command, because this is a command and this is its argument. Okay, so basically, what I want to say is, listen. Shell scripts are nothing more than commands written in a file. Now, that's simplified. There is something more to them. There are some keywords, and again, we're going to discuss those. But on a foundational level, they are just commands written in a file. Okay, so you shouldn't be scared of them. In fact, you should just continue watching the tutorial series if you're interested in shell scripting, and I hope you are. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.